Basic cement chemistry. Basic cement chemistry learning objectives know the meaning and the way of presentation of chemical and mineralogical composition of cement-specific materials. Know the chemical moduli applied. For cement-specific materials, know the Bogue-calculation for clinker mineral phases and the relationship with chemical moduli, chemical composition, chemical formulae, mineralogical composition, chemical parameters for cement-specific materials, contents of clinker minerals according to Bogue relationship between chemical moduli and clinker mineral contents. Exercise for calculation elemental composition. Weight, percent. Elemental composition, weight, percent. Chemical composition, elemental composition in weight percentage. By convention, the elements are expressed in form of their oxides. Exception: Cl, F. Usual sequence of elements in cement chemistry: LR, for example, at 1050. C, mainly due to CO2 and H2O. Chemical composition. Examples: chemical formula. The chemical formula indicates the elements occurring in a chemical compound. For a molecular compound, type and absolute number of elements are given. For a mineralogical compound, type and relative number of elements are given. Note: in mineralogical compounds, the elements need not necessarily occur in simple numerical ratios. Impurities, solid solution. Chemical formulae in the cement chemistry. Shorthand: S are often used. Mineralogical composition, composition of material, expressed in weight percentage of the occurring minerals. Note: difference between chemical and mineralogical composition. Chemical parameters for cement-specific materials. Titration: quantity of carbonates as determined by acid-base titration, expressed as CaCO. 3% titration equals 1.786 Cal plus 2.48 Go. Applied for limestone marl Romney lime saturation. The LS is a measure to which extent the caloricist compound C3S, C3A and C4AF can be formed without the necessary presence of free lime. At LS 100, free lime will unavoidably be present after burning. Applied for raw meal clinker cement, Nito PC only CaO equals CaO, total 0.7 SO3. Usual range in clinker 85. 100. Note: the influence of MgO can be accounted for. Max 2% MgO may be introduced in formula, not applied in cement specifications. Silica ratio. Applied for silicious raw components. Raw meal clinker cement. Usual range in clinker 1:8. 3.6 alumina ratio. Applied for silicious raw components. Raw meal clinker cement. Usual range in clinker 1:8. 3 NO2 equivalent total alkali content, expressed as NO2 and O2 equivalent equals NO2O plus 0. 658 K2 a note limit for low alkali cement NO2 equivalent 0.6% applied for clinker cement moduli of main clinkers in Helsing group moduli of main clinkers content of clinker minerals according to Bogue percentage content of clinker minerals, assuming that chemical equilibrium is attained and that no impurities are present. C3S equals 4.07 cow. 7.6 CO2 6.72 L2O3 1.43 Fe2O3 C2S equals 8.6 CO2 plus 5.07 L2O3 plus 2.08 Fe2O3 3.07 Color 2.87 CO2 0.754 C3S C3A equals 2.65 L2O3 1.69 Fe2O3 C4AF equals 3.04 Fe2O3 in reality. The mineralogical composition of industrial clinkers differs to some extent from that calculated, according to Bogue applied for cement. A PC only, EXCL, blended cements. Correction for cow in CASA 4. Cow equals Ca of 0.70 SO3. For Oshto, TO2 and P2O5 to be added to L2O3, no longer for ASTM. Clinker. Cow can be corrected for free line. Depending on objective of calculation, cow equals Ca of it. Car-free significance of clinker minerals for cement properties, significance of clinker minerals for ASTM cement type. I Portland no restrictions regarding clinker minerals type 2 Portland with moderate sulfate resistance and moderate heat of hydration. C3A max 8%, C3S plus C3A max 58% for moderate heat of hydration. Type 3 Portland with high early strength C3A max 15%, C3A max 8% for moderate sulfate resist. C3A max 5% for high sulfate resist. Type 4 Portland with low heat of hydration C3